coming back to back with the hottest, and you guys know I had to come through with this one right here. It's a gorgeous babe for the peak of summer. So if you like something more effortless and non like lace front type vibe, I'm here for you. I hear you, babes, and this one is going to deliver. So make sure you go ahead and stick around to know more specs and deets about this one. So this one is by Beautyforever, and I'm gonna go straight into it with the specs, tell you guys how I feel about it. Just because I know this video is going to be a little lengthy, because I am going to show you guys how I styled it if I have not showed you guys already. All right, you guys, so this is the Jery curl straight to curly type of wig, and this wig came straight out the package straight, you guys. I did show you guys how it looked like when I dyed the hair. I kind of had the dye kind of saturate on the hair to really latch on there because it came in a natural color. So if you happen to worry that if it's going to be too dark, it comes literally in a natural color. I want to say anywhere from 1B to 2, like that's exactly how it came straight out the package. And it did come like straight, kind of like, I want to say like perm Tex-Flex hair. That's how it looked like straight out the package. And then once I went ahead and put on the dye, I seen it kind of curl up. I was like, wow, it really curls up. The curl is really prominent there, as you guys will see. And from what you guys can see right now, you couldn't even tell that the hair actually can get super straight. So it's definitely a 2-in-1 type of wig, and I love that. I initially was going to go ahead and style this hair straight, but I figured I wanted to leave it like this, because this hair is giving so much beachy vibes, and I am here for it. Like, it's just giving so much beachy vibes. As far as like mixing your hair and making sure your hair texture blend with it, girl. So what I did was I did a little braid out, and then if you want it to be a little tighter, you can definitely go in with a crimp if you want to. It all depends on what type of crimp inch that you have. So yeah, that's that. Anyways, let me go back into the specs. The length that I got on this wig is 24 inches, and it is a V part or U part wig. Initially, there's 2 clips on the side right here, a clip on the very back, and then two combs on the side, 2 big combs like over here to kind of give you more secureness, a comb in the back, and adjustable strap. This wig is universal, cap size for all, because it is a U-part wig, so it can fit a big head and small head type girl. And then for my normal size girls, I know you guys get shaded and nobody worries about you, but sis, if it could fit a big girl, it's gonna fit you. All right, so yeah, for my small head girls, I just want to let you know, sis, that it is going to definitely fit you. I have a small head, so I definitely know, you know, how you guys feel, and it feels really great. And just for a little bit more secureness, I did go ahead and utilize the straps that comes along in the very back, and kind of just use one to tighten it up slightly. But pretty much, if you're a small head girl, you know, normal size head girl, whatever it is, it's going to fit you, girl, and you're going to love it, like literally. The waves like speaks for itself, or curls I shall say. And when it's wet, as you guys will see in the clips, it's definitely like more Jery curl, but when it's like dry, it gives like more like that wave, but also curl, but like more so wave. And I love it. I love it. It's just so cute and really like a breath of fresh air for the summer. So I love how it looked like. I thought it was gonna look too dramatic and like too overbearing, but babes, if you don't want to do no type of lace front or any type of closure or deal with no type of lace, and you just want to give like the natural feel but not, you know, dealing with your whole head, I definitely would recommend this U-part V-part wig. The dye took perfectly, minimum to no shedding, and then the length was perfect, you guys. The length is super perfect. I feel like for 24 inches, like it's given like pushing to 26 just a little bit, but for the most part, it is 24 inches. She is just amazing. And I did go ahead and style my baby hairs. I really recommend when you are doing these part wigs that you style your baby hairs as much as possible. You don't have to put as much as hair out as I did. You could just put like slightly bit out, but that's just my preference. so this is the amount of hair that I put out. But what I do really would suggest that you would do is pull out your baby hairs, babes, whether you're gonna do like a slight leave out or no leave out, because you could do a no leave out just to let y'all know. You just could go ahead and puff out that roots, you know what I mean? Definitely would recommend pulling out those baby hairs, you know, for sure. So when that wind blows and it catches, it's giving like 10 out of 10. I would recommend to a sis, to a friend, to my mother, to anybody that wants this wig. She's adorable. She's adorable. She's going on, this is my batch, okay? Nobody could touch this. Like, she's so freaking cute. I have already showed you guys a clip of how it looked like, straighten a little bit, how it can revert back to curly. Definitely 2-in-1 wig. You could do so much with this. Beautyforever, you did amazing. Go ahead and pick up right now, you guys. I'll leave it down below in the description bar and a pin at the comments for you, so it could be so much easier, so you can go ahead and click on over and add to cart and buy, sis. But once you buy it, babes, you're not gonna look back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And like always, I'll see you on the next one. Later.